How to remove Shopee ads from Samsung. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove Shopee ads from Samsung. Open the settings on your Samsung device. Scroll down and tap on Google. Select All Services. Tap on Ads. Choose Reset Advertising ID. Confirm by tapping on Confirm. Then select Delete Advertising ID. Confirm again by tapping on Delete Advertising ID to remove Shopee ads from Samsung. Go back and tap on Manage your Google account. Navigate to Data and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on My Ad Center. Toggle the switch to Off to turn off personalized ads. This will ensure that Shopee ads are removed from your Samsung device. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.